Hi there, I'm Brian here for the Lincolnwood Library. Today I'm going to demo for you the library's new website, which you can use on desktop and laptop computers and mobile devices like tablets and smartphones. On desktop, you can access it on any major web browser. I'll use Google Chrome. And our address is lincolnwoodlibrary.org. And here is our new website. So I'll take you through. At the top, we have today's hours, which you can click to see more information. We've got links to see your account in the library catalog. We've got a logo that takes you always back to the home page, and our menu with collections, services, programs, resources, and about. So the collections section of the menu highlights different materials that we have that you can read, play, watch, or listen. Our digital library, our library of things. Services lets you see what we offer for different audiences and different technology services, along with extra information about voting and taxes and museum passes and more. To use the menu, you have to hover over the different labels, for example, programs, and then you click one of the different links. And the buttons to the left are also clickable. In the middle of our homepage, we have searching the catalog or the website. So I can click into here and say I'm looking for Harry Potter, and I can enter that, and it takes us right to the catalog with that search entered. I can click my account from the home page to quickly go to logging in to your library card account to put things on hold. You can see upcoming programs on the left and different resources we've highlighted on our website, along with some other quick links to certain pages on our site. We also have some recommended reads and our location on the home page. Our website has a translation widget at the bottom. You can click in here to select the language and maybe say, I want to look at the website in Spanish. I can find that. Click. And there we go. You see it translates for me. I'll go back. You can also resize text with the buttons at the top of the website, the A buttons. You can make text smaller, and you can reset, or you can make text larger, or you can reset. You can see information about library cards and checking things out with this quick link. And we have a button for signing up for your library card. You can fill out this form. All the fields with red asterisks are required. And you can even do a digital signature, which is pretty fun. And when you're done, prove you're not a robot and submit. And we'll reach out to get you your library card. I'll hit the logo to go back to the home page. Now you see programs on the home page, events that we have. We hover over them and information appears on the right side. You can see a preview and more information. If I want to register for a program, I can select it, and it takes me to that program. So I can see more information about the program and scroll down and register for it. So you put in your name. Some events might have certain age requirements, and you can give an email address, and then select register, and we'll reach out with more information. Under services and meeting and study rooms, you can see our meetings and study rooms. We've got are information, the rules, the policy here that you can access. And you can request by day or by room. Room 3 is popular. I can click on that and I can see some more information about it, including at the bottom when it is available. So maybe I want to reserve it tomorrow at 11 a.m. So you can pick a time to start reserving by selecting one of the pluses. And you have to agree to the terms. You see the time. We default to 2 hours. You can say how many people you're expecting to be in the study room. Reserving in advance is for Lincolnwood residents, so we do require that you log in with your library card. So you put in your library card number and your password. And then you just put your name. It may autofill from your library card, and you hit submit. That'll send that into our system, and one of the librarians will review, make sure everything is good, there's not any conflicts, and then we'll reach out to you again, and you'll be able to use the study room. Let's just take you through some of the pages on the website. So under Read, we highlight in these slideshows of books, some new books. We have lots of these different little slides highlighting different materials on different pages. We've got a similar page about TV, movies, and music. And again, you can see pages about playing, watching, and listening as well. Library of Things page. Library of Things is only for Lincolnwood residents. And we have a lot of different items. You can use filters to sort through them, or you can just browse. Each item has a page with more details. You can see more information about one of the Library of Things items. You could check out this high-quality microphone to record. Or you could go directly to checking out an item. Maybe I want to reserve our high-quality camera. So I can see that. I would have to log into my account to do that as well, but I can see if it's available or not, and I could place a hold. And we have a whole bunch of Library of Things. You can see there's more pages. I'll just scroll through those quick. You can see all the items that we have. Under Services, Print, Copy, Scan, Fax, you can see information about printing. And there's a helpful link to the wireless print site and some instructions on how you can do that. You can visit the print site or you can email in are the easiest ways. So I'll go to that site. You can upload files. Then you can enter a name. This system will total up the costs, give you an estimate, make sure it's right, and you can hit submit. If you want to use your $15 of printing credit that Lincolnwood residents have, use your library card number. And then hit submit, and that's printing. Under Programs, Calendar, you can see all of the events that we have going on, color-coded. There are filters as well. You can see the color codes. You can sort through to find different events. And if there's one you're interested in, you can click through, and again, you can register. Under Resources and All Resources, you can see all the different premium databases that are available to Lincolnwood residents. You can see resource guides about most of the resources. I can click through to see that. And these guides take you through using each of the resources. You can click through on View Resource to actually go to a certain resource to start using it. Under About, you can go to Contact Us, and you can give us some feedback, fill out your name, who to send it to, your message, prove that you're not a robot, and submit. Under Resources and Community Resources, we have Similar to our databases and library of things items, we have listings of different resources that can help you out. So you can take a look through here. There are filters to sort through them, and you can click through on any of the links to see more information about a certain organization. So it'll take you to that organization's website, whether you're looking for help or you are maybe going to volunteer with an organization. We list a lot of resources that can help you and others in the community out. Under services and how do I, you can see some frequently asked questions. You can see all sorts of information about renewing items and how you check out, how you can use the free internet here at the library, and more. Under services, we highlight services for different age groups. Maybe looking at babies, toddlers, and preschoolers, kids, and parents, caregivers, and educators. You can see events highlighted, different programs like 1,000 Books Before Kindergarten. And again, we have listings of books that you could be interested in, and you can see more information. And relevant resources, including those resource guides. And even library of things items that are relevant to the age group. Another age group, kids. Again, we have upcoming kids events, and we have our reading challenges on Beanstack, which you can take a look at. And again, more books and resources and things that you can check out. There are also museum adventure passes that you can take a look at. We have a whole bunch more than this. We highlight 3 here. Before we look at a last couple features, let's take a look at the library website on mobile devices. I've got an iPad, an iPhone, and an Android tablet here. On screens that can't fit the whole site, the site automatically redesigns to fit things nicely. You see on the Android tablet and the iPhone, content is stacked rather than next to each other. You can still see everything, you just have to scroll up and down more. Also, things that require hovering are taps instead. So you can tap on the menu options, or on the iPhone and the Android device, tap on the menu buttons. And then you can move down further from there to see items within each menu. And you can press to get out of those. So on these mobile devices, you can still see all of our collections, like the Library of Things. You can still access all of our resources, and you can still get to registering for programs. So you can use the library website on your mobile device. Last couple things to show. Under services, we have information about taxes and voting, 2 things that can't be avoided. So yearly, you can come to this page and see information. For example, the library gives out free forms, and you can see more information, how to do forms, where to mail them, how you can do them online, and more helpful information. Our voting information page has relevant dates for upcoming elections that we keep up to date, along with information about finding candidates, seeing who's on your sample ballot, registering to vote, early voting, absentee voting by mail, and more. So you can find basically everything you need to know about voting on this page. So I'll go back to the home page, and I hope that you've learned a lot about the library website. I hope you can find what you need on the library website. Thanks for watching.